On today's episode, I come up with alternatives to fly line,
I could have put weed eater string on it and done just as well.
find a musical instrument,
Now this is interesting.
and set the hook on not fish. Alright, today I'm throwing the 9-weight. Going to try to get some smallmouth. I've actually never thrown a 9-weight. Just going to throw some bigger flies to try to get to the bottom for these fish while it's so cold out. We'll see. Like I say, I'm throwing this 9-weight. It's a Redington Crosswater. It's the cheapest 9-weight I could find because I didn't know how much I was going to be throwing it. Never thrown a 9-weight, so you'll get to watch me struggle, I'm sure. Throwing this 9-weight is an interesting experience. Totally different. Definitely going to take some getting used to. But I want to throw bigger flies, just got to get over it. I will say, I bought like a cheap Redington Crosswater combo, and the rod's probably fine, but this line is awful. I could have put weed eater string on it and done just as well. Oh, the fly looks good, but that's about all you can say for it. I think I want to change to like a craw pattern. We'll see what happens. Try this craw fly. That looks so good. Good deep hole. That's still in its sink. I left this part in because I wanted to show how long I was letting it take to get to the bottom, and then once it got to the bottom, how long I was letting it sit there. It's super important in the winter that you fish as slow as you can stand, and once you're fishing that slow, you should probably slow down a little bit more.
It's actually nice that the ground's frozen. Normally this is mud. This actually gives you something to track on. I'm probably about to fall since I said that. And basically you're on anything with a 9-weight and a giant crawdad. current breaks behind these rocks. Now this is interesting. Look how that ice is formed there. That tree in this riffle. Just throwing it and letting it sink still. We found something.
Well, I know it was another pretty slow video, but it was still a nice day to be out, and hopefully you learned a thing or two. I appreciate you all watching, and hopefully the fishing picks up soon.